Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. In English, it is named after the ancient Roman god Mercurius, Mercury, god of commerce and communication, and the messenger of the gods. Mercury is classified as a terrestrial planet with roughly the same surface gravity as Mars. The surface of Mercury is heavily cratered as a result of countless impact events that have accumulated over billions of years. Its largest crater, Caloris Planitia, has a diameter of 1,550 km, 960 mi, which is about one-third the diameter of the planet, 4,880 km, or 3,030 mi. Similarly to the Earth's moon, Mercury's surface displays an X-Bay emissions Evropi system, generated from thrust faults and bright ray systems formed by impact event remnants. Mercury's sidereal year, 88.0 Earth days, and sidereal day, 58.65 Earth days, are in a 3:2 ratio. This relationship is called spin-orbit resonance, and sidereal here means relative to the stars. Consequently, one solar day, sunrise to sunrise, on Mercury lasts for around 176 Earth days, twice the planet's sidereal year. This means that one side of Mercury will remain in sunlight for one Mercurian year of 88 Earth days, while during the next orbit, that side will be in darkness all the time until the next sunrise after another 88 Earth days. Combined with its high orbital eccentricity, the planet's surface has widely varying sunlight intensity and temperature, with the equatorial regions ranging from 170 C, 270 F, at night to 420 C, 790 FE during sunlight. Due to the very small axial tilt, the planet's poles are permanently shadowed. This strongly suggests that water ice could be present in the craters. Above the planet's surface is an extremely tenuous exosphere and a faint magnetic field that is strong enough to deflect solar winds. Mercury has no natural satellites. Dates 2018 Mercury retrograde. Dates 2018 Mercury retrograde starts on July 26. Learn what Mercury retrograde is and how it can affect your everyday life in our Mercury retrograde calendar. What is Mercury retrograde? We are all influenced when Mercury is in retrograde. Due to the way our own orbit interacts with those of the other planets, they might sometimes appear to be traveling backward through the night sky with respect to the zodiac. This is, in fact, an illusion, which we call apparent retrograde motion. Several times a year, it appears as if Mercury is going backwards. These times in particular were traditionally associated with confusions, delay, and frustration. Perhaps Mercury's retrograde periods can cause our plans to go awry. However, this is an excellent time to reflect on the past. It's said that intuition is high during these periods, and coincidences can be extraordinary. Mercury retrograde dates 2018. In 2018, Mercury will only be retrograde during the date ranges of March 23 to April 15, July 26 to August 19, November 17 to December 6. What to do when Mercury is retrograde? The planet Mercury rules communication, travel, contracts, automobiles, and such. So when Mercury is retrograde, remain flexible, allow time for extra travel, and avoid signing contracts. Review projects and plans at these times, but wait until Mercury is direct again to make any final decisions. About a week or two before Mercury retrogrades, finish any tasks or projects at hand. You can't stop your life, but plan ahead, have backup plans, and be prepared for angrier people and miscommunication.